Oh, we're gonna fucking die. Oh shit. Holy shoot. What's going on in the meltdown? Wise man, there's something going on in Dark Castle. Who did this? Jay said it was the other's idea. We're all gonna die! Oh no! We're all gonna die. We have to get out of here. What are we gonna do now, Oos? Tribal Chief, you're about to die in the execution by the children of Thanos.
The judge, the jury, and the executioner right now.
Look at this goddamn chase scene, Oos. Do you realize what I have to put up with while they're jumping there on Raw, crossing the street, up and down, and all around? Roman, don't you give me that look. Hey. I mean, I know, you die a horrible death right now. I'm gonna whoop your ass one more time. Running in the 90s. Here's something I do right now. Go enemy logic. Send me to North Korea out of this goddamn misery hellhole. And what you trying to do there, Oos?
I don't give a damn about no brothers, no wise man. Just me and you, one-on-one.
So Jey Uso got to Oliak and go enemy logic in North Korea while Candace is still on her goddamn phone. Oh, good. Have a nice fucking day. Oh, whatever you say. I mean, what you trying to do there, Oos?
How did the babysitting go?
And what are you doing here in 43 Chars? Jey Uso! I am here to see the Oliak of 43 Chars. Okay, I'm gonna take you there right now. To MTV8, Mr. Krabs. Welcome to World Breaking news! Somebody touched my onion! I'm got time to cry! I'm CV8! Oh, new Bart Simpson, I'm going to die! I love this show! Whoa, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. Oliak, stop watching the television! About 10 years, 43 seconds, and 10 seconds later! The dinosaurs have come back to summoning with the world of God. So now this is what the dream feels like. This is the nightmare I've been waiting for. Except without the cholesterol. Class, today's movie day. Why does Miss Martin look like that? It's a G-rated film, Look. The Scary Car commercial is a G-rated film.
Commercial is a good G-rated film with no scaries in it whatsoever. This is a very pleasant.
The freak on Timmy the freaking ready?
Share the movie! Not that!
How dare you bring in the folding chair movie into class?
The folding chair movie is an abomination god!
Concussion car.
The wardrobe cooking and attempting the execution VHS opening. Cooking and attempting the VHS opening. Hey, you fucking die. Jey Uso, get the hell back here! Hey, you left the set. You left the set, where are you going? I'm sorry, I can't deal with this bullshit anymore. I'm out of this movie. I'm out of WWE! Deuces! Out of this! Oh fuck, we lost him again. He'll be back in 2 weeks.